friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my sunroom, which might be becoming my filming room just because how could it not be? This place is just so perfect for filming. The light, the water sounds. Hopefully you guys can hear me. It is really hot today, so I've got the AC running in the sunroom, so hopefully you can hear me over the AC. And then we have neighbors 2 doors down getting a pool installed, so you might hear some construction as well. But I just really wanted to film in here because it just makes me so happy being in this room. If you guys are new to my channel, my husband and I just bought this house less than a month ago, and let's be honest, this sunroom is like the best part of the whole house, so how could I not film in here? Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for y'all. We're gonna open up some stuff that I've gotten just from PR over the last pretty much a month. I haven't opened up really any packages because we've been settling in and stuff, and so I've honestly, as I've gotten packages, just thrown them into a closet, closed the door, and was like, I'm gonna get to this later, and it is officially time to get into this stuff. I'm so excited to unbox this with y'all. I know you really enjoy these videos, so if you like these types of videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. But we are just gonna jump right in. So we're just gonna start with this first thing right here. Like I said, these are all PR packages, so most of the time I don't really know what it is or what's being sent. So it's kind of a fun surprise for y'all and for me. I really like unboxing this stuff with y'all just because I think it's fun. But this first package is from the brand Coco and Eve, which I think is a body line, if I'm correct. I also could be incorrect because a lot of times it's stuff from new brands that I don't really know a ton about. Obviously, if I like a product and I've tried it, I'll share it with you guys, probably in like my vlogs or on my Instagram, but typically unboxings are like first impression videos. So sometimes I get stuff from brands that I've already tried, which I know I love, but for the most part, a lot of my unboxings are just from new brands I've never tried. So this is from a brand I've never tried before, but it looks like we have got the super hydrating cream conditioner and a super hydrating shampoo. Like I said, I think this is like a hair and body line, but this is what the packaging looks like. I'm so obsessed with this packaging. It's so cute. Also, these are low-key the perfect size for traveling. I feel like these are like a really good like travel size if you're going for like longer than a week or a couple weeks, or if you have a lot of hair. I remember when my hair was super long, I had to use quite a lot of product. I don't know why I'm going on this tangent. I just love this packaging. I think it's so cute, and I want to smell it because I feel like the box smelled really good, so this must just smell amazing. Oh yeah, this smells so good. I love trying out new products. You guys know I'm kind of product obsessed, but this one is for hydrating, boosting, effective cleansing for healthier looking hair, and then this one is for deep conditioning for your hair. So really excited to try these. They're so cute. We will bounce back and forth between piles. So let's do this one right here. This is from a brand called, I think it's called Pique. It's P-I-Q-U-E. That might be wrong. This is a Daily Immune. Is this a tea or a supplement? Daily Immune Elderberry Immune Support Healthy Skin Vitamin C. It doesn't say if it's like a supplement or a tea. Oh, it does say a dietary supplement. Ooh, so there are like a bunch of these packets, and it's a dietary supplement. So I think you just mix this in as a dietary supplement. Take 1 packet 1 to 2 times a day. So I don't think you actually mix this with anything. I think you just take it like a shot. Okay, and then the other thing, ooh, matcha, is some Sun Goddess Matcha ceremonial grade packets. So they're on the go packets, and you can mix them with cold or hot water to dissolve, and then you shake and stir, and it's just like matcha on the go. And I love matcha. I've started making matchas again. I got a new oat milk recently from Publix, and I don't know if I really like it. I feel like it made my matcha just taste like really strong oat milk. So I have to figure out what kind of milk I want for my matchas, because I don't feel like the one that I got is the one that I really necessarily want. Okay, the next thing that we've got is, there's no name on this one. No name. We're just gonna open it up. Here we go. Okay, this is, it says think big, not dirty. So, oh, it's beauty counter. So this is the packaging for this beauty counter product. You guys can see. And does it slip out or open? I feel like I'm gonna break this box. How do I get this out? Oh, am I supposed to just, oh, it's Velcro. So inside here it says think big all-in-one mascara. Packaging. Ooh. Okay, I'm obsessed. You guys can see the casing right here. Okay, this packaging is phenomenal. Look at this. So pretty. And then if you pop it out, oh my gosh, this is like the most beautiful mascara I've ever seen. And then look at that. And you guys can see the brush on there. That is the most stunning casing ever. It is like a lengthening mascara. It doesn't really look like super voluminous, but I really love this like bullet packaging. Obsessed. I love this so much. I honestly want to keep it in here because it's so pretty. The next thing, I think it's from another PR company, so I don't know what brand this is. This is all stuff that was sent to my PO box while we were moving and stuff, so it's just kind of the address that a lot of brands have. We've got Tammy Fender Rose Cream. This must be like a sample. You guys heard of that brand? Ooh, it smells really nice. It's really thick. It's just like a thick cream. I think that's just the sample size though, I would assume. I'm assuming their products aren't this tiny. And then this one is a serum. Cool. I wanted to zoom you guys in so you could see a little bit better because I did recognize one of these packages. These are lipsticks from Urban Decay, and these ones are from their Vice line, which is usually their like really bold line. Actually, a lot of Urban Decay stuff is really bold, but I love their products because they're really like long lasting. So this is a new line of lipsticks. These are the all new vegan Vice lipsticks. New look, vegan formula, same high impact. First thing, it looks like we got some like bold colors, but we also got some like really usable colors. So let's just, I mean, there's so many of them, so let's just start with this one, which I just ripped the packaging. So this one is the shade What's Your Sign. This is a matte lipstick, and I really love this casing. Super sleek, and this is the shade, which I really hope you guys can see because my camera's actually pretty far from me. That is so pretty though. It has like the Urban Decay logo on it. Really pretty shade. So I'm super excited to like try these out and have some new lip colors. This one is the shade Naked. This is a cream formula, so they have mattes and creams. Again, the casing is just so pretty. I love that it's kind of a bent looking tube, so it's like super wavy. Oh, this one's a really pretty nude as well. Gorgeous. Next shade is Liar. This is a cream. Ooh, okay. This might be my favorite because it really is just like a true kind of nude. This one is the shade Love Trap, which might be a little bit bold for me. Oh, is this this is a shine. So this is a totally different lipstick. So you can see this one's more of like a gloss. So it actually might be a little bit more sheer. I love these shades actually. I thought these were gonna be like crazy. This is the shade 405. This is a shine as well. So it's gonna be kind of glossy. Ooh, it's kind of like a red. You guys can see it's like a super kind of bright red. This is the shade Local. This is a shine. I love that brands have really started focusing on more like sheer, shiny, glossy, hydrating lip products, just because I feel like makeup is moving in a more like natural direction, and so I feel like I've also been kind of going more with like a more sheer lip. This summer, I barely wear like any makeup unless I'm literally filming. So I have just been really liking like putting on some powder and then like a really simple lip and some blush. So these Shine lipsticks are just gonna get some use for sure. That is a really, really pretty shade. I'm loving the shades so far. I really thought they were gonna be like a little out there, because sometimes Urban Decay can get kind of crazy. This is called the Big One, and I will link these down below, and I'll put the shade names in the description box as well if there's one that like catches your eye. This is a matte, so we're back to lipsticks. This is kind of like a rusty red shade. It doesn't really have any sort of like berry or purple in it. It's more of like an orangey red, so like a very brick shade. And then this is the shade Art Walk. This is a matte or a cream. This one is a matte. This one's really, really pretty. You can see right there. Super pretty. Honestly, most of these are very, very wearable for just every day. This is the last lipstick called Olivera. It's like, I thought I said Olivia at first. Deep, deep red, but really, really pretty. We do have 4 of these. These are like, I would assume almost like little lip balms. So there's like the Shine lipsticks, and then these ones are maybe more of a balm. So this is the shade Runyun, R-U-N-Y-U. Oh, they're lip glosses. So it's a lip gloss. This is like a very nudie kind of shade. Really no pink to it, no purple to it, like a straight nude. This is the shade Crusin. This one is a very purpley kind of mauve, very purpley undertones. This is called My Dude, which looks like a bright coral with sparkles in it. Really, really bright. That's a popping shade. And then this is the shade Name Drop, which looks like it's gonna be literally the perfect nude, which, yes, this is definitely my shade right here. This one also has sparkles in it. Love this shade range though. There's like a couple super bold ones, but the rest are like extremely wearable, which I am shocked by, pleasantly surprised. So the next thing, that was a lot of lip products. Hopefully y'all stuck through that one. The next thing is from, I think this is from the brand Bliss, which is a skincare brand, and they're sold at Target. So inside of here, we've got, this is what the packaging looks like, by the way. We've got a body acne spray. Interesting. Never heard of a body acne spray. I've heard like body acne washes, not sprays before. And then this is an acne spot treatment. I haven't tried their acne products. I've just tried their cleanser and then some of their serums. So, and then this is the Clear Genius Clarifying Toner and Serum. I feel like my acne has been relatively under control, which is a good thing for me because sometimes it kind of flares up, but it actually has been pretty under control. This one has nothing on it, so we're just gonna see what this is. Oh my gosh. Confidence, kindness, and intelligence are what makes someone beautiful. Literally just sent me a box of candy. So you know we're gonna have to put this out in a bowl and give it to all of our friends when they come over and swim. I love Tootsie Rolls. I also love the pull apart Twizzlers. Ooh, like a candy necklace. This is actually really fun. These are Gobstoppers. What's your favorite candy? Honestly, I love a good Twizzler or a good Tootsie Roll. Like Twizzler's like what I eat when I go to the movies, you know what I mean? When I'm like at home, I want something more like chocolatey, but when I'm like at the movies, I want like something sour or like gummy related. But let me know what your favorite candy is down below in the comments. They send so much candy. There's like Starburst in here, Jolly Ranchers, Nerds. Okay, Nerds are pretty awesome too. They have like gummy rings. Okay, I'm actually kind of excited about this package because sometimes I just want a piece of candy and I don't really feel like going to the store and like buying a whole bag of candy, so that's actually nice. Little tiny candies. Okay, this last package I am the most excited about because I didn't know it was coming, and this is one of my favorite brands. This is from Rare Beauty, and I did not know they were sending anything. So I'm very, very excited to see what it is. Have you guys tried Rare Beauty yet? I know there were a few of y'all who were interested when I posted some past like makeup videos. So I would love to know if you guys have like tried it out yet. I still absolutely adore the foundation and the lip product that I got. And I'm trying to think what else I've used from Rare Beauty that I really, really like. Oh, the blushes, the cream blush and the liquid blush. So good. So this is called the Rare Beauty 5-Minute Face, which will include, the Weightless Touch Foundation, the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer, one of their blushes, the Dewy Lip Balm, and the 4-in-1 Mist. I actually don't have the 4-in-1 Mist, so that's the one product that I don't have, but I'm super excited to have a little refresh of the other 4 products because they're all so good. This is so exciting. I didn't know they were sending this. So it comes in a little Rare Beauty makeup bag. I hope these are my shades. We shall see. We have the foundation in 170W, which looks a little bit light for me. Let's see if it blends out to be my shade. Yeah, it's definitely light, but we are going into fall and winter, and it honestly might be perfect once we get in the cooler months. And then this is the matching concealer. This is in the shade 170W as well. We've got the cream blush in the shade Nearly Apricot. This one's my favorite. Oh, because it's kind of like a peachy, orangey shade. This is truly my favorite shade of the cream blush line. And then we've got a lip balm in the shade Empathy, which these are such a good lip product because they're so creamy. Oh, the shade, y'all. Look at the shade. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it because you barely swatch it and like so much color comes off. It is truly so pigmented, so creamy, so hydrating. It's just like a really good lip product. And then the last thing is the spray, which I haven't tried yet, so I'm really excited. I think this is, yeah, the setting spray. Heck yes, I'm so excited. 4-in-1 Mist Shake Well Spray after makeup to set or use throughout the day to refreshen your skin. So really excited for these. I didn't know they were sending it. So nice of them. But that is everything that I've gotten in the last month or so. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me and unboxing with me and hanging in my sunroom. I am so excited to bring you guys more videos in here and also my filming room eventually. I just got a couch for my filming room, so hopefully that room will come together relatively soon, but this is definitely not a bad temporary spot. If you guys liked this video though, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried any of this stuff out or if you have any brands that you feel like would be fun for me to try out. Leave a comment down below. And if you are new here and you want to stick around for some more videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you back on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye y'all.